Hi, it's Trevor here. Just a quick video because this is not my full review video, but I've just realised that in the United States they put their clocks forward, I think at the beginning of the month. We put ours forward at the end of the month. So 11 AM EST for me means 4 PM normally, and I've just discovered that it actually means 3 PM. So the time now is 5 minutes to 2 PM, and so this is going to be launching today. Easy Pro Funnels is launching at 11 AM EST, which is 3 PM UK. So I wanted to give you a quick shout out so that you can see this and you can get in on the early bird, because it's a $67 product, but you can grab it for just $47 if you get in early enough on this. Now I'm just going to show you the sales page only because I haven't got time to show you my full video. I've been putting the review together, and I'll do that afterwards, but I'm about to go into some online coaching right now as well. So I literally have no time to get this set up. So, oh, now I've got someone on my chat coming through. Just one second. So I'm going to give you full demo and all that, and in my training, my bonus is going to be training on how to use this. But there's a few things I just, thought I'd show you what this is so you can see, straight away. So it works with JVZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus products. It includes over 100 free products. You get many auto approval, proven to sell JV products. So that whole thing about not being approved, you get auto approval. Okay, fully integrates with GetResponse and SendGrid autoresponders. It's fully customizable. You can add your own free offers, and you can add any approved affiliate products that you want. So just moving on, you can create in a few clicks lead magnets, exit pops, huge bonus packs, and this, so you get to create the bonus sales pages. So the pages that sell your bonus bundle, all hosted by them, and delivery pages as well, all with one click. Cloaked affiliate links, product review pages, webinar style pages. So there's a lot that this can do. It's very, very powerful, and I've been putting together my full review and insane bonus bundle that I'll go through in my full review. But just to give you a quick kind of taster of what you're going to get. If I just move my thing here, so you're going to get from me my Easy Pro training. So I'm going to go through and show you how to get fast tracked on this, the little angles that I use, how you can get better results faster, make more money. So that's going to give you the advantage over anybody else that's promoting this. You're also going to get my creation school, which is high quality training videos showing you how you can create your own lead magnets, bonuses, and even products, and obviously you can use those in conjunction with this software as well. And treat number 3, you're going to get free access to Endgame. Now Endgame is my flagship coaching program that I do with Jonas and Jono, and there's already a year's worth of replays in there, so you're going to get free access to that for 7 days. You're going to get ClickBank marketing secrets, affiliate profit system, niche marketing secrets, Amazon affiliate profits, UTotal SEO, list building WordPress masterclass, and professional email marketing. So they are my bonuses. This is me, Trevor Carr, telling you that Easy Pro Funnels is something that you need to get, and you need to get through my link. My full review is coming soon, but if you don't get a chance to see that, you just want to jump on, then you can jump on and you can look at my full review afterwards. So don't miss it, guys. As soon as it goes live, get it as soon as you can so that you get the best price and you get my bonus bundles, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best, Trevor.